Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set chassis name in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So first I open the terminal. So let me type osnamectl command. So here you can see that it's showing chassis as a desktop. So chassis is nothing but what type of computer your computer is. It's a desktop or a laptop or a palm top, something like that, right? So we can set that chassis name. So login as a root user, hostname ctl space set chassis VM. So this is the command. So I am setting this chassis as a VM. So there are some predefined names to set the chassis. Okay, so check the internet for the legal chassis name. So you can clear the chassis like this, but it's not reflected. So you can't clear the chassis name. So that is the verdict here. Okay, once again I am putting back. So putting back as a desktop. So now you can see that chassis name is changed to desktop. So this command is used to identify what type of your computer, whether it is a virtual machine or desktop or a laptop, like that.